Do you have problems putting your things away when you're done using them? And you think maybe you're just lazy or a natural slob? Well, maybe it's not you that's the problem. Maybe the problem is where you are putting your things away. In this video, I'm going to share some systems for some common clutter problems, so your home stays organized without extra effort. Hi, I'm Wendy. Welcome to my channel where I help you go from a messy life to creating the life you want. First, recognize where you use the items the most. One main organizing concept is put things where you use them. Sometimes we assign places for things to go, but then it turns out that that's not actually where we use the item, and it becomes difficult to put the item away in its assigned place. If something's difficult, it's less likely to get done. So what happens is that the place where we do use the item starts to look cluttered because we don't have any storage or organizing systems in that area for that item. Go around your home and look for piles or a cluttered look. Look for items like shoes, coats, toys, paper, dirty laundry, books, and trash. You also want to think about your habits and preferences. Where do you normally set your things down when you come home? Where do you like to do certain activities in your home, like reading or paying bills? Next, create some convenient storage systems. Use storage solutions that keep items tidy, are easy to use, and look intentional in their new location. Here are some examples and solutions. Dirty laundry. Put hampers where dirty clothes tend to get dropped, like places where your family gets dressed, usually bathrooms and bedrooms. Toys, activities, and games. These items can be stored in bins and baskets and on shelves near where your kids normally play. You could also use hidden storage like an ottoman. Sometimes kids do certain activities in a certain area because the conditions are right for it, like playing with toy cars in the kitchen because the floor is a hard surface and the cars roll better there. Or they might play in a certain area because they want to be around you or other adults. And this doesn't mean you have to turn your whole kitchen or living room into a playroom. Just keep some of the toys there, the ones they normally play with in those areas. Books. Reading may happen in bed or in the living room or in another area of your home. Put a small bookshelf or decorative container in those areas to hold a few books. Shoes. Set up shoe racks, baskets, or cubbies that pile up in places like bedrooms, the back door, or in the garage near the entrance to your home. Coats and jackets. Install hooks or a coat rack near wherever coats tend to be hung over the backs of chairs or tossed on the furniture. This might be in a bedroom or near the entryway to your home. Paper. Set up a system for all the paper that enters your home, such as mail and school papers. You could use labeled bins for sorting. A decorative container could be used for storing loose papers to be filed. Put this system where papers tend to pile up the most, usually near an entry door, in a bedroom, or in an office area. Trash. Keep small to medium-sized trash cans wherever trash accumulates, like near a couch or a table to prevent wrappers, packaging, or other trash from piling up. Bill paying or homework supplies. Create a place for pens, paper, calculators, and other supplies used for paying bills and doing homework. You can use a portable caddy or a cabinet placed in the kitchen, dining room, or any other place where your family likes to do these activities. Adjust traditional thinking about storage. Traditional thinking would be coats go in the hall closet. Office supplies go in a desk or in an office. Dirty laundry goes in the laundry room. Toys go in the playroom or in the kids' room. Let go of the idea that items must be stored in their assigned places. And instead, focus on what works for your home and family. But also keep in mind that if these traditional spots are working for you and your family, then keep using them. Or you can use these traditional areas for the bulk of your storage or for items out of season. And as your life changes, your storage needs may change also. What's one item in your home that's out of place? Let me know in the comments, then try the methods in this video to see if they help. Thanks for dropping by.